is ready. She waiting on me before she eats. Your food's gonna get cold, baby. Go ahead. So polite. You wait for me. That's so sweet. My Thai noodle gonna wait for me. Thank you. What did you order?
What
is it?
หอยแมลงภู่อบชีส
Cool cheese? I don't know what cool cheese is.
หอยแมลงภู่
ขอบคุณครับGot the salmon salad. Your boy trying to eat a little bit healthier. Still got a side of tacos, but at least I'm starting off right. It's good now? Oh, she like it. Oh, you like it. Little, cut up my salad. Cut up my salmon for me. No bones. Can you cut for me? Oh, there it is. Some tacos. Alright, they're already losing because they got the fake guacamole. Don't get down with the fake guacamole. They got the regular shells. They got the Ortega shells like at home you get at the grocery store. We're gonna see what it tastes like. Right now it looks plain wrap. I'm trying to go healthy first.
You want skin?
Nice. You know I don't want the skin. She noodle doing work. You know what I mean? She putting in work. They're healthy. You're supposed to eat the healthy part first. I got the banana shake. Got the salmon salad. I got the tacos. I'm gonna get back to you on the verdict. Right now, Noodle is mincing my salmon. Taking out the bones. She's deboning it for me. Do the women do this at home? Do they debone their salmon salad before they eat? Just asking. You know, the people in America, they say they want a Thai noodle. Where can they find a Thai noodle, Noodle?
I don't know.
Huh? You don't know where they can find a Thai noodle?
Yeah, I don't know.
Isan? Phuket?
I don't know.
Man.
I don't know.
You don't know where they can find a Thai noodle?
Yeah.
They got Thai noodle everywhere. But they got Thai noodle everywhere?
No, not everywhere. Some lady that take care same me. I don't know.
I thought you say Farangs like Thai lady because they take care of the man.
Yes.
Thai ladies all take care of man like Thai noodle take care of me?
I think not all.
Not all?
Yeah. Same. Some people good, some people not good, you know. I don't know.
Alright, you hooked it up for me? Alright, Noodle, were you right?
850.
850 baht. Do y'all know what 850 baht is in America? 850 baht is how many dollars? How many US dollars is 850 baht?
30.
You know? Huh? You know? Do you know how many baht, Noodle?
30.
$30? Almost. Let's see. Ooh, the American dollar is strong out here, Noodle. You say $28? 850 baht? $25.
Really?
American dollar getting strong. Right there. I gotta go get some money out the ATM so we can take advantage of this money rate we're getting. Kap Kun Kap. Y'all see it. 850 baht. Do your math. It's $25 for dinner. And it was a good dinner. I wasn't sure because the tacos looked suspect, but it ended up being good. And Noodle liked it. That's what really matters. If Noodle liked it, it's good. Huh? That's very good. Would you order it again?
Maybe. I don't know.
Can you pull your mask down and say theme music?
Theme music.
Zoom to Thailand, hope you coming too. Richie Mac, travel OG with celebrity interviews. Get your passport, let's go. This is what you need for show. Brothers in Thailand and bikini babes at the beach. If you need more, he got it poppin'. Caddy of the day, we golfing. Really ain't a better option. Time to travel, like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let's connect. Richie Mac, yeah, we steady vibing. Take a journey, let's get moving, cause we zooming right to Thailand. Hey, Richie Mac, travel OG, let's go.
Y'all still serious about coming out here? Well, Zoom to Thailand is hooked up with crazyandfearlesstravel.com. Check out the executive membership. For $200, all you have to do is pay for your transportation, and you can get up to a 7-day hotel stay worth up to 3 G's, depending on where you stay. Not just in Thailand, but other places such as Italy, Mexico, Spain, and Dubai, just to name a few. Once you purchase your membership, you just have to pay your resort fees and taxes, of course, and that's it. If you want to travel throughout the U.S., Canada, or anywhere else, no matter what's happening in the world, you have up to 18 months to use it. Y'all been asking and we've been listening. Search, compare, and save on flights and hotels just like you would on Expedia and Priceline, except we send you up-to-date info in our newsletter every month. Zoom to Thailand at crazyandfearlesstravel.com, where we offer you peace, love, and safe travels.